What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to create these new AI videos like the Bigfoot vlogs and stuff that have been going pretty viral lately. All you need to do is come to Google Labs Flow, so just search up Flow, click on this Google Labs one. So I've already got an account, but there should be an option to subscribe. It's free for the first month, but you can only cancel your subscription the first 7 days. So yeah, and then once you've created that, come back to Flow. To get your prompt, just use whatever LLM you want. For me, I'm just going to use Gemini because it is Google product. So you think that, Gemini might be the best way to prompt it. Let's just have a chat with Gemini. Let's have a look at what Gemini puts out. Yeah, so sometimes it gets confused with actually creating an image instead of creating the prompt. Okay, let's go with option 1. So just click on new project, click on the settings thing over here, and make sure you're on 3 quality. So each generation uses 100 credits based on your current settings. I'll just paste that in, or just generate one, and let's see how it goes. Okay, and while we're waiting, what I'll actually do is I'll take that same initial prompt that I gave to Gemini, and I will give it to ChatGPT, and I'll give it to Claude, and we'll see which one creates the best video. So ChatGPT, set that in. Let's get Claude. Set that in as well.
For too long, I've roamed these lonely woods, a beast misunderstood. My heart yearns for a mate.
This is not bad, Yeah, you can see that there might be a good concept to add on to. And so I'm gonna do ChatGPT now. Let me actually just adjust it. Adjust for 1 second. See. I'm gonna do the same for Claude. Okay. I'm actually gonna adjust this prompt 1.8. Okay, so this one is ChatGPT's.
I'm not just a legend, I'm looking for love.
Not too sure what's going on there, but let's try Claude's one out now. Make sure that it's on quality. Just gonna copy this. Yeah, so it looks like the Claude one is ready. Let's check it out.
I've been hiding in these woods for 847 years. Ladies, I need a Bigfoot bae who won't ghost me like those hikers.
That's probably the front runner right now. But this is Gemini's one. I just thought I'd redo it again because it's not really fair if I get ChatGPT and Claude to create 8-second one scene ones, and Gemini's creating whole videos. So ChatGPT one is ready. So let's check that out.
I'm tired of lonely nights and cold caves. My big heart needs a big-footed queen.
That's not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, so I got 560 credits. What I'm gonna do lastly is I'm actually gonna try and create an ad for an agency that me and a friend just started up. So probably gonna use all my credits on it, but that's all good. I'm just gonna click on new project. It's gonna use ChatGPT to create the prompt. So and let's see what it comes up with. Let's make it 3 8-second scenes max. Provide this be more descriptive, but consistency. Max 8. Yeah, this looks better. And okay, and I'm just gonna click on new project. I'm just gonna paste that in, and let's see how long that takes. Oh yeah, this looks alright. Let's check out this first one. Alright, so let's find one of these to, let's click on this one. Let's go add to scene. Go back to this prompt. Let's go scene 2. Paste that in. Make sure that the settings are correct. How many? Okay, so I've got one more prompt left, so let's make it a good one. Let's take this scene 3. Let's copy it and let's just bang it in here. Let's make sure we're on VO3 here. What would happen if I press send? Oh, okay, so you can create it at the same time. Okay, so this is scene 2. Is that alright? So it's not bad. Okay, and then this last one.
Yes, another successful closing. Besso Solutions, making it happen.
I can't believe it. Thank you.
Yes, another successful.
Yeah, so as you can see, I still got a little bit to learn about this stuff. But yeah, if you guys like the video, then like the video. I think ChatGPT or Claude is probably the best LLMs to use for your prompts from what I've seen. But comment something else you might want to see. I can try and whip up something to automate this sort of stuff, like for your YouTube channel or something. If you want to check out Besso Solutions, there'll be a link below. And if you want to see more AI content, then just subscribe.